Did you know the Bay of Fundy has the highest tidal range in the world? It's about 16 meters, which is way more than the average of 1 meter.
It's fascinating how the moon, sun, and atmosphere affect the tides there. They have 2 high and 2 low tides each day.
In just 12 hours, about 100 billion tons of water flows in and out of the Bay of Fundy. That's double the flow of all the world's rivers combined.
There was this tidal power station at Annapolis Royal. It was one of the few in the world and the only one in North America until it shut down in 2019.
Many rivers into the Bay of Fundy have a tidal bore. It's a wave that travels against the river flow. The Petitcodiac River had a huge one before a causeway was built.
Other cool tidal phenomena there include the reversing falls, a riptide at Cape Enrage, and the Old Sow Whirlpool.
About 200 million years ago, the area of the Fundy Basin was part of Pangaea and near the equator. It had a tropical climate and lush vegetation.
During the continental breakup, magma formed basaltic lavas. This left igneous rock formations and rare minerals like agate and amethyst.
Fossils are a big deal in the Bay of Fundy. They've found Canada's oldest dinosaur fossil and early reptiles in Carboniferous tree trunks.
The Bay is part of the Global Geoparks Network. It's a UNESCO initiative to conserve our planet's geological heritage.
Despite no formal marine protection zone, the Conservation Council of New Brunswick is working to protect the bay's ecosystem.
To protect the endangered North Atlantic right whale, the Canadian Coast Guard adjusted shipping lanes to reduce collision risks.
The Bay of Fundy's mudflats are unique and rare. They're home to a variety of primary producers like algae and sea lettuce.
There are several protected areas around the bay, like the Boot Island and Chignecto National Wildlife Areas.
Raven Head Wilderness Area is a special spot. It protects undeveloped coast and is a habitat for endangered species and fossils.
Shepodi National Wildlife Area is recognized internationally for its importance to birds and other wildlife.
South Wolf Island Nature Preserve is important ecologically. It was donated by Cloverleaf Seafoods in 2011.
Did you hear about the Tintamarre National Wildlife Area? It's another protected spot in the Bay of Fundy.
The bay's tides can be higher or lower depending on the moon's position, sun, and atmospheric conditions.
Tidal resonance in the funnel-shaped bay makes the tides very powerful, contributing to the bay's unique hydrology.